Hello everyone. Recently I did my balcony makeover and for that I have done one DIY project. And the DIY project is this blinds done by using grass mat or chatai. As this was a budget friendly makeover, I used this mat and it also keeps your balcony cool during the summer. In my place this bamboo mat is very rarely available, so I use this chatai. So friends, welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please do consider subscribing. Let's start the DIY. I have purchased this mat from local market. It is also available online. In my place it is called as Chatai. And here I am using these two sticks. You can use any wooden stick, steel rods or the curtain rods for this project. Here I am using this waste mop sticks. So one is the wooden stick and the other one is the metal stick. Place the stick at the one end of this mat. And I am using thread to tie this to this end. Instead of this, to make the work easy, you can even use zip locks. So let me tie it so that the stick will be held on the one side of this mat. Actually this mat, this chapai is very cool to our body. These are the preliminary household items. It is used for sleeping, sitting or drying grains, etc. It helps to absorb or prevent the heat and give coolness to your body. And each one will have one of this chapai in their house. It's very useful for my place, especially during the summer month. Okay, let's come back to our DIY. I'll tie one more knot, keeping some distance. You can tie some 3 to 4 knots so that you will hold the stick in the position. I'm using this strong twine thread to tie this. Instead, you can use any other thread like nylon. You can see now stick is placed properly from one side. Let me open this mat fully and reach the other end. And you have to follow the same procedure to the other end also. And for the other end, here I am using this wooden stick. Following the same procedure, let me tie this to the other end and it is done now. Here you can see both the ends are tied with this stick. Now let me roll it so that I can tie the thread around it. I am rolling it towards inside. I hope you can understand the steps what I am doing. So here I am using this cotton thread and one keychain ring. You can choose any metal ring. Here I had this keychain ring which is very easily available with everyone. Just put the thread inside this ring. Then you have to take the thread from outside to inside. Tie a knot at the end of this thread so that it will not be pulled out. Take the thread along with the ring around the mat. Pull the ring towards the end of this mat. Now you have to put the thread inside this ring and then tie a knot. This step is really very easy. Just observe it. So I'll just show it once again on the other side. Here one side it's ready. You can see if we pull the thread, it can fold the mat very easily. I'll follow the same procedure to the other end of this mat. I'll be explaining it once again. So you have to put the ring inside this thread, then insert the thread inside the mat and pull it out. Put a knot at the end of the thread so that it will not be pulled out. Now take the thread and the ring around the mat and take it from the other side. Insert the thread inside the ring and then tie a knot. I hope you have understood the step what I have followed. It is really easy but it looks complicated. Just check whether the thread is moving easily around the mat. Now you have to take the remaining threads from the other ring. As you can see, the thread from the first ring I am inserting into the second ring. This is how when you pull both the threads together, the mat gets folded. You can see clearly how the threads are arranged. Our blinds are almost ready. And now you can see how I have hanged this. I have used a thread and I have hanged it on a nail. Instead of thread, you can use any metal hook or even the keychain or any metal ring to hang this. Because due to the gap between a wall and the metal frame, I have hanged it like this. So here our chatai blinds are ready. And you can see how easily we can operate this mat. I am really very happy with this DIY. As my balcony is west facing and I get so much of sunlight in this balcony, these blinds are really useful for me as it's blocking the sunlight and allowing the air inside. So here I can enjoy my time in my balcony. I hope this DIY is helpful for you. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.